Name of our idea: homemade microscope, local innovation for scientific growth. Problem: in many rural or small schools and college, students do not get microscopes for practical science study because they are expensive and limited in number. Cause of the problem: high cost of scientific instrument improved or bought from outside. Effect of this problem: scientific curiosity and innovation decrease. Who face this problem? Study students in government or rural schools. Solution: encouragement students to create low-cost version of scientific tools. Message: science for all, innovation by all towards Viksit and Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thank you.
Fine. Yeah,